Can a budget desk from Amazon really be any good? Let's talk about that. This desk is $60 from Amazon compared to this $60 desk. Sorry for the mess, but I did a video on this $60 desk that I used for the benchmarks. This one, you could tell, is a lot higher quality than this one. This one does look pretty nice. It has that aesthetic, but you can really tell that they kind of cheaped out on it. It was extremely easy to build, and thanks to Hunter for actually finishing and building this. If you're looking for something a little bit more gaming centric, this desk is probably the best way to go. I'll link the video here down below. But if you're looking for something aesthetic, maybe home office style, I mean, you can still game with it. But to give you an idea, this one is just so much bigger than this one. This one could fit a monitor, probably two, and then the tower. You get more surface space on the desk. And comparing $60 to $60, this one is just a lot more durable. But hey, some people like that aesthetic look. And hey, if you consider it a plus, this is a very light, easy to move desk, extremely light. And honestly, on camera, it looks pretty good for the price, but you can tell how cheap and easy it was to make. It also does come with a headphone holder, which we did not put on. We'll probably put on later. We don't really use or care about that stuff. But in the picture here that they use on Amazon, they do a really good job on really showing how it looks to maximize that desk space. But it's really the choice. Do you want aesthetic home office look, or do you want the classic like gaming style look? I'll have this desk linked down below as well if you are interested. Let me know down in the comments, what is the best Amazon deal that you have found this year in 2024?